Welcome to our channel. If you want to ensure you're not overpaying medical bills, follow these step-by-step instructions to review charges carefully. Step 1. Request an itemized bill showing every charge individually. Summary bills hide details and make it impossible to verify the accuracy of charges. Step 2. Compare the itemized bill to your explanation of benefits from insurance. These documents should match. Discrepancies may indicate billing errors or insurance processing mistakes. Step 3. Look for duplicate charges for the same service. Billing systems sometimes enter procedures twice, and you should never pay for something rendered only once. Step 4. Verify that you actually received every service listed. Check dates, times, and descriptions against your memory and medical records to catch charges for services never provided. Step 5. Check medical codes on your bill for accuracy. CPT and ICD codes determine what insurance pays and what you owe, and incorrect codes cost you money. Step 6. Question charges that seem excessive or unusual. Research typical costs for procedures you received and challenge amounts that appear significantly inflated. Step 7. Call the billing department to discuss any errors or concerns. Document who you spoke with, when, and what they said about correcting or explaining charges. Step 8. Request a corrected bill if you identify errors. Don't pay until discrepancies are resolved, and confirm corrections are made to both provider and insurance records. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.